time is the biggest luxury there is. I'm always trying to save time without cutting corners or being sloppy. Or at least I try to. But try juggling
kids, work, womanhood, commuting, sleep, family time, working out, being healthy, eating healthy, cooking healthy, skincare, haircare, hobby, creative outlets, finding myself, personal pleasures, shopping, stressing out of nothing.
You name it. It is hard to have time. That's why I'm on a mission to find a quick but effective curly hair routine. I want maximum efficiency with minimal product, good time management, but with results that are worth to write home about. Hello friends, and welcome to my channel where we talk about hair care for your natural looks. If you're new here, my name is Irena and these are the French curls. Today's video is part of a series that I've called Speedy Curls. We're looking for time management in both styling and diffusing, definition, volume, and longevity. Because we don't want to be doing them curls every 2 days. The second participant on this series is the Camille Rose Spike Honey Mousse 4-in-1 styler. Camille Rose is one of my favorite curly hair brands. The pledges made by the brand about this mousse are provides intense conditioning, texture definition, effortless styling, and everyday refresh. And they are good promises. Can it deliver? Keep on watching to find out. I'm back with freshly washed hair. I'm going to separate my hair as I usually do. One of the benefits of styling with a foam or a mousse is that your hair doesn't need to be dripping wet. You still will get better results if your hair is evenly wet, but not necessarily as wet as when you're doing a full-on routine, which in turn can cut your diffusing time up to a half. And who doesn't want shorter diffusing times? I do. Here we go. Oh, great pump. It smells like honey. Oh, maybe I put a bit too much. I think I definitely put a little bit too much. Oh, now let's share it with the other side. Baby's at my feet again. I'm gonna go for my trusty volume brush. Foams and mousse stylers don't give as much hold as a gel would. Some foams aren't even able to provide much longevity to your wash and goes. What foams and mousses are usually good at is producing volume, whilst somewhat taming frizz. But there is no volume without some frizz. I have to say, this doesn't make my hair as easy to detangle as they do mousses, the Mousse Def and the Crazy Sexy Curl. This not so much, although it's one of its promises. The only guide you can have to whether a styler is right for you, apart of reviews like this one, is to actually read the back labels. So check the ingredients of your products. The way you can make a more informed decision before you buy. And I chose this mousse as my second entry to my Speedy Curls series because it has 2 great holding agents. One of those is PVP, which is a great film forming ingredient that's great at holding your style in place, but one that weakens with humidity. A better, more modern version of PVP are the PVA copolymers, which are a lot more resilient in humid conditions. I'm going to pop on the screen some mousses with set ingredients. Sadly, a lot of these mousses are not available in Europe, so perhaps you can find them where you are. The spreadability of this mousse is really, really nice. I just wish it tangled my hair a little bit more. I made it more slippery, but other than that, so far, it feels so good. But bear in mind that I have not put on any leave-in conditioner because we are hoping to have a one and done. The second promising holding agent in this mousse is polyquaternium 55. If you've been following me for a bit, then you know I love polyquats. One of the reasons why I love polyquats so much is because they're an actual active ingredient. They are not there to make the product smell nice, look nice. They are there because they're actively conditioning the hair, holding your style, and they hold your style by forming a film around the hair shaft. Some polyquats can provide heat protection, UV protection, including polyquaternium 55. This mousse doesn't claim to have heat protection or UV protection. And when a product doesn't claim to have to offer those 2 protections, it's rather because A, the product has not been tested for set purpose, so they cannot put it on the label, or is not enough quantity of said ingredient to act as a protectant. I will make a whole video about polyquats. When you know what to look for, you're better equipped to spend your money on good products based on science-backed analysis. So make sure you're subscribed to not miss it, and then you ring that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I don't want you to continue to waste your money on products that promise too much without delivering enough. And I am happy to be your curly guinea pig. I share a lot as well on Instagram and on TikTok, so make sure you follow me there too. This foam is certainly very frothy. The wet results are looking good. I'm gonna go and diffuse and I'll be right back.
Ooh, this is nice! Girl! This audience is you right here?
As always, Camille Rose has delivered. I doubted you for a second. I really did. I shouldn't have. To all the team at Camille Rose, I apologize for my lapse in faith. How do they do it? How do they make such bomb products? Next time I will definitely use it on top of a leave-in conditioner. That will make brush styling easier. Does it have a cast? Not really. It does feel quite gritty, which I think is a sign that will be nice for fine hair. And then there is no cast, so as I am not breaking anything, then I'm going to be extra gentle with my hair. All I want to do is really seal my ends, tame whatever frizz might still be there, and just adding a little bit of extra shine, although my hair is quite shiny, I have to say. The same for the other side. It diffuses fairly quickly. I'm gonna give you a little close-up. I like it. It has nice definition, nice ringlets, a lot of bounce. And that's something that we like. This is so good. Another Camille Rose product going on my personal walk of fame. We've got to try this with the curl maker. Look at that. I mean, there is no frizz on this hair. No frizz, no frizz, no frizz. Let me know your opinions on what you think. I will definitely see you tomorrow for our day 2 check-in. Welcome to day 2. I'm sorry if I look tired. I went to a barbecue and I ate far too much, and now I am ready to collapse in bed. I really need a nice siesta. The results are still looking really pretty, but are they Speedy Curls approved? I think this is an excellent styler. With my compromised hair, as I have color treated hair, then I would definitely use a leave-in conditioner underneath. But other than that, I think it's Speedy Curls approved. The definition is still there, still has nice volume. Frizz is still really nicely tame. What do you think? What is your opinion? And I would love to know, what do you reckon I should try next? Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite one and done quick product for a great hair routine? I really am loving the volume but with definition. That's what I call a nice hair day. This is my day 2 update. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my channel with a friend so we can reach even more people together. And I will definitely see you next week. Bye bye, guys.